Hey, it's the JeniusBiker back again with another video, and this time I wanted to do something a little bit different. I just wanted to give you guys some insight of what I'm doing here day to day at the shop. So I wanted to take you around and show you some of the bikes I'm working on, some of the projects I got going on, and maybe touch on a few aspects of what I do here at JeniusBiker. If anything in particular catch your fancy, please put a comment. Let me know what you want to see more of, whether it be a bike or learn more about motorcycle rentals or some projects I'm working on or some of the obscure bikes that I have in the collection. Anyway, let's get to the tour. So here at the shop, I got my Aprilia RS50. This thing is pretty much a once a year, bring it to the two-stroke extravaganza meet down in SoCal. So this will be coming down off this display table pretty soon to get it ready for the two-stroke extravaganza. So if you want to know more about this bike or the two-stroke extravaganza, check the video description, leave me a comment. This is the Buddy Genuine Blackjack 150. This was a limited edition scooter. It's another one of those bikes that I only bring out for special rides. Right now I just do the San Francisco Scooter Club monthly ride when I get a chance. If you want to know more about this scooter, leave some comments below. Let me know you're interested in the scooter. It's basically a hyped up scooter from the factory. Not very many of them around. Here I got an NSR. This is a project I'm working on for a customer. Need to go through the electrical. This thing's pretty unique in that it's NSR 50 with all the street lighting, so I need to make sure all that works. Plus he's got a little dent in the tank that he wants to get resolved. Up on the table today is my Z650 RS. This is a pretty good looking bike. Just doing some routine maintenance. This is part of the rental fleet. So this bike here just got some fresh new tires on it. It's about to get a new chain and then it's going to be ready to go back out on the road. Just finished up the maintenance on this bike. This bike's going out tomorrow for a 2-week rental. This bike got oil and filter change, valve inspect and adjust. A couple valves needed adjustment. And then obviously a chain service. This bike's going out tomorrow. This bike back here is a Husqvarna 401's fart pillin'. Yes, fart pillin'. This was stolen from someone I know, but it was pretty quickly recovered because whoever stole it got a screw in the tire, which caused it to go flat, and they just left it. So they did a little bit of damage to the wiring, a little bit of other damage to the bike. I changed the tube so it rolls now, it's ready to ride. Just waiting for a lock set, which after 2 months of waiting is finally on the way. So this bike will be back in action once I get the lock set installed. Over here, I got a big Ruckus. These are pretty cool little scooters, but it's got the same look as the little 50, but it's a 250. And this big Ruckus is in here for some hop-ups. It's gonna get a variator to give it a little bit more get up and go. Performance shock to help with the suspension. And carb rebuild. Got some jets and stuff in here. Gonna rebuild the carb to try and resolve a bog it has off takeoff. So that's what I got going on right now. Again, this is more just trying to figure out what you guys want to see more of. So please leave some comments. Let me know if you want to know more about any of these bikes or what I got going on. Let me know what you got going on in your shop. And I'll see you in the next video.